Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I will show you how to hide watermark on video from Invideo. In order to do this, first of all, search for any eraser on your browser. Now select this website that says anyeraser.media.io. Click on this link and it will take you to this page. Now click on Try It Online button. Click on Upload here. Log into this website or sign up for an account. Now you will see this page. Now what you'll have to do is just upload the watermark video here. So I will click on upload here. I will navigate to downloads. Now search for your Invideo video here, select it, click on open. So as you can see, I have these two watermarks in this video. This video has been generated using Invideo. So I will have to click on the select button here, increase the brush size. Now paint your brush all over the watermark. Click on remove objects now button at the bottom right corner. This will take some time. After the process gets finished, you can see any eraser has removed those watermarks that were previously available here. You can play this video and see that there is no watermark available. Now you can easily download this file for free by clicking on the download button and your file will get downloaded without watermark. So that's how you remove Invideo watermark for free. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.